As you may be aware, Rehman Medical Institute will be holding its third international conference on health research from 25th to 27th April 2025. Research is ingrained in the fabric of RMI, and it is not surprising that it would be the conference third year running this year. This year's theme focuses on translating discoveries into practical impact, not only for local communities but for the global population. The impact of such conferences should not be limited to the conference sessions and the content presented therein, but it should extend to address healthcare challenges like disease prevention, health disparity, and converting discoveries into practical applications. While being a high-powered event, this conference has something to offer everyone, be it new researcher familiarizing themselves with research, or somebody who want to build up on their skills, or even accomplished researchers in attendance from across the globe. The various workshops throughout the conference offer a wonderful opportunity for mentorship and will help improve research skills for the new researcher. This conference will also promote communicating the findings of research to general public and improving health literacy and awareness. All in all, this conference promises to be an exciting and vibrant event, and as Dean, I urge you not to miss this wonderful opportunity. We look forward to seeing you in April, inshallah.